Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How are we all doing today? We have a very scuffed setup for today. It's robot. God fucking damn it.
I fucking tested it too. That's what's bullshit. Can you hear me now? Are we good? Stream over? Is it good now? I even tested that. Okay, well everything that could go wrong today could and does and definitely went wrong. Anyway, we're back for another stream. Everything is jank. I am not in my apartment anymore. I have moved out. I am now at my dad's house in my childhood bedroom. You can see the shrine of Anthony behind me. But let's see. It is the 27th of June of 2022. It is Monday, which means it is auto update day. And so we will be taking a look at that. If you saw my setup, you would. It's so much worse than what we have before. But yes, we have frog hand photo over here. We have me in the newspaper from a spelling bee when I was way too short for the microphone. We have this isn't me here. I'm over here in this photo. We have giant bloody fish, which I think I have that one on my computer, so I can show you that one. And then we have my high school graduation photo. And I couldn't find all of the plushies in the boxes, so you're gonna have to make do with just carpet and Reginald/Leopold. Also, couch that is falling apart and random wires and the suitcases that I am living out of down there. Everything is jank, but that is just what you're gonna have to deal with today. But let me say hi to everyone who is here, and then we can jump into stuff. JJMC was first today. Also, the bot crashed, so we haven't dropped any frames though. So I don't know. I think that'll at least go well enough. My dad upgraded his internet because I asked him to, so we've at least got that going for us. Marsha's here. Hello. Fixer Jake, how's it going? Anthonk Babonk Badonky Tonk Bonk. Yes, indeed. Drunk Time Lord has resubbed at 16 months. That is indeed. Wait, is that 2 to the 4th? Yeah, 2, 4, 8, 16. Yep. Welcome. Good to see you again. Biocash, welcome to the stream. Me mucking around with volume. Yeah, so I don't have speakers right now, so that's why we're in headphone mode. Yeah, no speakers. So yeah, everything that I fucking hate headphones, but we're back to headphone mode. It's been man, it's been almost 2 years since I was headphone mode. Actually, no, it's been a year. Yeah, because the microphone is a year old. Yep. Frank Freeman, hello. Welcome back. Coney Geist, good to see you again. Can we boost the bass? Bass. What? What do you mean? Oh, wait. Yeah, I mean, I probably could boost the bass. I think there is a sound mixer somewhere, but I don't really trust myself for that. But Dutra.py, hello. You can reduce the volume for your speakers and it wouldn't affect the stream volume. That's what I thought. But here, I'll turn up the music, then I'll turn down my speakers, and I'll show you what it does. If we turn up the music's loud, and then if I turn down my desktop volume, yeah, it doesn't work that way for some reason. I don't know why, but that's the way things go. And now I've probably fucked up the volume levels again, but what are you gonna do? Beldothis, hello, welcome. It depends on the chosen device. Just desktop audio, so I don't know. We'll see. Your mic is fucked. Yeah, we had robot voice again. The stupid thing is I have a sample recording, and the sample recording was fine. So I don't know what changed between the sample recording and go live, but such is life. Is that your new landlord? I don't know that my dad will show up. I think he's busy at the moment. When we get a graduation photo emote, do you want to see if I can find it on my computer? Because I'm pretty sure I can find it. Let's see. Photos. I'll show my screen after I find it. I don't want to show you screen before I find it though. It's not in this folder. Backups, perhaps? Music, home der phone pictures? No, those are just sadness. We don't want to look at those. Data? Pictures and scans? Oh, here we go. Here's the good shit. 2009. Where is that? Prom? Graduation? Wait, why is prom after graduation? Oh, they're just sorted poorly. Are you? I don't know if you're ready for this photo, chat. I don't know if you're ready for this photo. I don't know if you're ready for this version of Anthbonk. Bugle Cook, hello. Good to see you again. Turns out my bank may have been double charging me for a long time. Credit payments doubled. Yeah, that doesn't seem right. All right, chat. Oh, also I don't have keyboard cams, so yeah, even more jank stream today. But are you ready? This is 2009 graduation me. If we have anything else good in this. Actually, no, this is the wrong photo album. Want to see something else wild? I have a good photo of this. This is our top 10. That's only 7 people. Where's the rest of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's me giving my valedictorian speech. Anyway, it's kind of hard to take photos in a stadium far away though. Oh shit, yeah, sorry, I gotta turn off. I can't do standing desk either. Don't redeem it, because then I'll have to fix it. Request queue? Yeah, I gotta disable these temporarily. Because I can't there's no point in switching the keyboard. I mean I could switch the keyboard, but it's not like people are gonna. Why did that open over here? Go back to over here. Nope. Okay. We're gonna disable standing desk. I'll leave the keyboard on, but I don't know why anyone would redeem that one. All of the rest of these are fine. Okay. Sorry about that. I do have my standing desk, but it's not plugged in because well, if you saw my setup, you would understand why it's not plugged in. Kurt Van Gool, welcome. Essence of jank is junk. I made Balnada to stay away to catch a stream because I thought you were gonna be in your new place. Nope. Couple weeks until that happens. Orimus, hello, welcome. Loving the setup. Setup is jank. So when is Dad Thon coming on stream? I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna come on stream, but he is here. My sister's here too, and I think 1 or 2 of her caretakers are here as well. Hepta, hello, welcome. You in a crop top and booty shorts? Let's see if I can find that one. No, we're not gonna do that. Wait, is this the same photo? Oh yeah, this is the same photo, but not cropped. Look at my cell phone that I had back then. I actually really liked this phone. It was one of those that flipped both ways and had like a full keyboard on e-ink. It's real nice. Forrest Flare says, hi, what happened to your VOD a week or 2 back? I asked you about breakpoint not working in PyTest for Copier, and you made some interesting remarks regarding potential CVEs. You quickly spotted while browsing the repo. Do you remember what the potential CVE was? Was that the stream that I was heavily drinking and then decided I was not going to upload the VOD because I leaked all my creds and didn't feel like editing? Sounds like the right one. Yeah, and it wouldn't be on VODs either. I have no idea. But if you link me the repo, I might be able to find it again. No man pixel, hello, hello. We were expecting crop top and booty shorts. Will prom be sufficient? My prom photos are pretty funny. Wait, where's the one? Why don't I have the? Hang on, before I randomly dox other people. Why do I not have the photo? Well, that's disappointing. Well, we can't show that. Can't show that one. High school rank don't mean shit. You're right, Tired Beaver. But I was also first in my major in college, and I don't know that that means shit either, but... Oh my god, you want to see the most awkward photo ever? Oh, this is so cringe. I don't know if I can show this. Yeah, fuck it, whatever. So this was like a news program, local news program that interviewed every valedictorian in like Southeast Michigan. So I did like show up and like walk around and do a bunch of stupid shit all day. Here's the dude being like, "Yo, you've got your tests on the wrong side." I'm like, I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Why does this look like a terrible business shot? Like, Isaac writes code. Hello, hello. New house? No, this is my dad's house. This is my dad's house. You plug your socks in. I'm not wearing socks right now. I just feetsies toes out right now. The other server. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. It's also hot in my room. I have the door open. I have the windows open. I have the fan on. It's like 69 outside, but hot in here. I was googling how to clone a repo without running the post checkout hook, and of course there's Anthony's answer. That was the first result. A -c core.hooks path dev null. Ezekiel, hello, hello, welcome back. Oh, Natalie, good to see you again. You need a drink a bit? Yeah, I decided not to upload that one. Yeah, sorry. I'm not gonna edit, and I don't have an editor that I pay, so just that one's just never gonna see the light of day. Grandpa's iPad, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Anthony prom dress reveal. I don't know if we could do that. Let's see if there's anything. Let's see if there's anything else fun in here. Oh, this is a funny one. Here's a college photo. There was a like, what was the theme even? There was like I think it was just a tweed night where we all like dressed up like old people and rode around on bicycles while trashed out of our fucking minds. Acetylene, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Not sure if it was from reading the pre-mega fig or searching for an issue. Dude, I don't even remember. I don't even remember. Yeah, I mean, I could review the VOD, but it's gonna take too much work. Well, the stream's gonna get deleted too? Probably not. Probably be fine. Just gotta not dox myself, you know? Fisher Jake says, off to the Cheesecake Factory, be back in a few hours. So I've been to the Cheesecake Factory, I think, once. Cheesecake Factory has like the weirdest portions on everything. Like, the like good shit, the portions are always way too small. And then the like mid stuff is just like, here's a giant fucking plate. Good luck eating this giant plate. And the cheesecakes get smaller and smaller. I guess I've been twice. The cheesecakes got smaller between the 2 times I went. I feel like they're probably just getting smaller and smaller. Not that I'm in an actual city. I tried out Krispy Kreme and it's pretty good. The shakes are bad though. I've only ever had the donuts. Do they have like a location? I've only ever had the donuts. Picked up piano. Fun. And yes, Ubuntu. Hello. No sequel, no how. Welcome back. Andrew Costa, good to see you again. Stole your dad's jacket. This is actually my grandfather's jacket. It's yeah. Brainwashed. Hello. Maybe you'll need a drink to spot it again. Has someone made? No. It's not a black chair. It's a black couch. Yeah, welcome to my casting couch, Arclight Slavic. It's actually brown, but the lighting is terrible, so you can't tell. But yeah, Automake is a nightmare. Yeah, Auto Tools is just kind of a pain in the ass in general. Okay, yeah, but here's our group photo. Here's our group photo of the Tweed night. I don't know why we did this, but it was a lot of fun. We were drunk biking, which I guess is probably illegal, but I don't know. No sequel, no how. Thank you for the resub with Prime at 9 months, which I believe gets you a fancy new badge. Is that how that works? 9 months is a badge? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Well, welcome back. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm still using DynamoDB. Wolf, hello. Welcome. Rollers says, hope the move is going well. Well, the first move is done. I'm in my dad's house. Yeah, you did get a new badge. Nice. I'm in my dad's house, and I'll be here for a couple of weeks, so we'll have Scuff streams for a couple weeks, and in theory, some Scuffed YouTube videos. But we'll see what happens with that. How's the new place? Oh, it's my dad's house. I don't know. Same as it always was. Do you talk to any of those people anymore? I lost touch with all my high school friends. So these are college friends. I've talked to, let's see, in this photo, I've talked to 2 of these people since school. Well, the fact that I can only recognize 2 people's names in the photo, so those are the 2 that I've talked to, but not in a long time. Years. So I don't know. I've been bad at keeping up with people, but such is life. I feel like this is just gonna be a just chatting stream, which I'm okay with, but let's see, what else? What other fun photos can I show you? Let's see, is there any photos of me in this? Oh yeah, we can flick through this, sure. This is when I was an intern at Yelp. Elfenrod! I know, right? It's almost July. Thank you for the resub at 5 months. Appreciate your continued support. Good to see you again. Apparently all credit cards run Java on operating system and hardware that can only run Java. That wouldn't surprise me. Drunk biking is riding with 8 miles an hour, but feeling like riding 40 and having its gain skill. Well, when I bike, it is always a minimum of like 11 or 12 miles an hour because I ride without handlebars and I can't really, I've kind of forgotten how to ride a bike without. But yeah, anyway, this was the Yelp intern party, which they had like catered, and here's all of the interns. I still talk to a bunch of these people, which is fun. Here's yours truly. This is like what I wore to work every day. I was always the best dressed intern. But yeah, this was here's me in the back. Here's like our group photo. Some good memories there. Have you considered developing a game for a pet project? I mean, I have my Android app. Kind of counts. Game. I've been thinking about making a Pokemon game. But such a 30-year-old dad look. Listen. That intern definitely charmed the ladies. I mean, what the fuck else are you supposed to do during an internship? Looks like Tim Cook in the background. I don't know what Tim Cook looks like. He's like the Apple dude, right? Tim Apple. I don't know who that was then. Oh, he was the caricature guy. Yeah. I'm hyperventilating just looking at all the people. Yeah, well, this was a decade before COVID, so how many Yelp stars would you give the food? It was actually kind of meh. The party was kind of meh. In Python? No, I have a Java Kotlin app. We're gonna get Juice to do it again. Oh, that was purple. That was not blue. That was purple. That was a little bit different. We got else fun in here. I feel like any of these phone pictures ones are a they're basically r/50/50, but it's okay, I know this one's okay. So you know, have you ever been to those like touristy locations where they have like face cutouts and you're supposed to like put your face inside and, you know, take a touristy photo? uh this is my interpretation of oh my god, I fucking love this stupid photo. Oh, I guess I did make my Pokemon game. Yeah. Have you checked out B-Ram Briefcase? I have not. Oh, what a funny photo. What is this photo? Oh. Yeah, this was weird. It's really hard to see in this photo. But there is a McDonald's advertisement. And it just says taste pee. That's literally what the ad said. This is like the shittiest photo of it, but what? Excuse me? Yeah. Fucking, what is this one? Oh. Oh, this is me being cutesy. Nope, we can't show that photo. Oh. I found one of the famous photos. There's also this photo. We were going to a what the fuck party. That was literally what it was called. So, yeah, I'm wearing scrubs and someone in my hall's boxers on top of jeans with a tie. Because what the fuck, why not? The McGolden shower! Oh no. Oh no. Nope, can't have that. What else we got in here? Can't show those. That's not gonna click on that folder. Already showed those. Here's me and David, who I often stream with. One of those art things made by the Dolly AI thing just said, "I love piss." Oh no. Guys, she tells you not to worry about Monk S. I'm so glad the cameras were far more rare when I went to college. There are few, if any, photos of me during that period. The irony is, I was a photography major? Oh man. That's funny. I actually don't have very many photos of me from college. Which I'm a little bummed about, but at the same time, like, I mean, I really only look through them to like meme on stream, so not like it's a huge deal. This is a fun set of photos. I made a few snowmen, and then we were best buds. And then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna climb on top of the snowman. Yeah. Look at how fucking edgy this photo is. Are we ever gonna get the long hair? I don't know. Wait, it happened during pandemic, during 2020, but snow butt plugs that wouldn't have fit. Oh no. Nope, nope, nope. Can't have that. Mem card before wipe. Terribly interesting in there. What was I even looking for? What was the photo? Oh, we were looking at the fish photo. Here's a fun photo. This is me making a basket at church camp, wearing a Firefox t-shirt. This setup is so jank. How you doing, Stonkfish? Yeah, it is pretty jank. Looks like you birthed a snowman. Yeah. Can't imagine sitting on a snowman and expect it to stay solid. Like, what the heck? I mean, yeah. I wouldn't expect it to stay solid. I mean, it was hard pack snow. Well enough that digital was just barely a thing when I was in college. Digital photos were primarily still pulls from video sensors. Oh. And now, welcome to the stream. My name is Gabriel. I'm from Brazil. I don't know why I said Brazil, like a weirdo. Trying to implement one finite state machine with transitions in Python, but nothing compiles. I mean, Python does compile, but usually you don't think about it as compiling. Usually you're thinking about it as parsing, or most of it's runtime errors. What's 228? Oh yeah, Snowman. Yeah. No, that's 2603. What's 2803? Drunk Time Lord. 2803. That's just 2 dots. You want 2603, my guy. Is that an original Firefox t-shirt? Yeah, that's the OG. That is the OG. Here's some skiing photos. Look at me being a badass ski racing. Oh yeah. Look at this concentration phase. But yeah. This is, I'm scooping for change here, as we would call it. This hand should be up here. This is a better one. Admittedly, this is a great photo. My hands are in the perfect spot here. My body is perfectly vertical. I could be a little bit closer to the gate, but anyway, I shouldn't critique myself from fucking 15 years ago. Okay, let's actually do some code today. What am I doing before I get distracted and go down a rabbit hole? I'm surprised they didn't call it some satanic symbol and make you change. Oh, I should have got kicked out of church camp. We did some stuff, but you know, what are you gonna do? Horny teenagers, what are you gonna do? Kramer SV, hello, welcome. Time to sleep sounds good, drunk time Lord. Thank you for stopping by. Did you suffer a career-ending injury during professional skiing and then transition into software engineering? No, I didn't. I would love to ski race. That'd be great. I don't think I'm good enough anymore, but at one time I missed states by 1/10 of a second, which would have been pretty sick. But can we critique you? Wow, you suck at snowboarding. You're not even on a snowboard. So if you snowboarded, at least in the places where we raced. If you snowboarded, it was mostly just an excuse to go out to the hill and get fucking blazed. That was basically snowboarding. That's very well. Hello, hello. Welcome. How you doing? Okay. Let's do open source updates since last time. I want Twitter open. Don't care about that. There's not much because I mostly packed up and moved. However, I did have to fix some shit in pre-commit CI because for some reason GitHub was like, haha, PyTest is no longer part of pre-commit CI, even though all of the APIs say that it's supposed to be there. Oh, we did that on stream. Yeah. We can go over it again though. But I guess the other way around. Well, we should probably go from this direction. This is something we worked on. Did we work on this on stream? Maybe I did this after stream. I don't know. We'll talk about it again. Yeah, no, we did this on stream. Yeah, I remember now. But basically, there's like a complicated set of Flake8 options where, okay, there's 4 options. There's ignore, extend ignore, and there's select and extend select. And depending on how you configure those, you'll either get, well, if you use select or ignore, then you don't have the defaults. If you use extend select or extend ignore, then you get the defaults. And if you both select and deselect an error, I don't remember what it's supposed to do. I think it ignores it. But sometimes things will get implicitly selected. Sometimes they'll get explicitly selected. Anyway, there's like a whole fucking complicated set of things for this. And I had simplified it recently because there was like a whole bunch of code that just couldn't possibly run. But there was an additional case where if you extend selected something and extend ignored an unrelated thing and it was default ignored, then it would get ignored when it really should have been selected. So basically wrote a quick little test demonstrating this. So extend select P002. So it should do P002, but the plugin turns it off by default. And so then this extend ignore was causing this to get ignored. But we fixed it to not do that. But most of the code was just like keeping track of the explicit choices of the user, and if they explicitly selected something, then follow their wishes. So that was complicated, but not terribly difficult. And you found out my meetup was canceled. Ooh, what meetup? Well, don't dox your location if you don't want to. But Bedford Guy says, dumb question, but why would you leave out state in the def? Is self how representing that? What? What do you mean state? I feel like there's context I don't understand, Pet Food Guy. You have to tell me more. I'm sorry, but I'm still laughing about the Mick Golden shower joke. How was the move? Oh, it could have gone better, but it was actually pretty good. So I got dicked over by U-Haul though, which fucking sucked. So basically I called like a month ahead of time. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna mess around with this. We're gonna make sure that we actually get a moving truck and actually, you know, properly move and such. And so I called up them, reserved a place that was within walking distance of my apartment, because I was like, well, I can't drive a car to pick up the moving truck because then how am I gonna get my car? So I was like, oh, within walking distance, perfect. Day before I'm supposed to pick up the moving truck, they call me and they're like, oh yeah, you know, moving truck that we said was going to be available, haha, guess what, it's not. Now you're going to have to go 6 miles away. And I'm like, oh, for fuck's sake. And so I was like, okay, whatever. I've biked to that U-Haul place before, so I was like, I'll just bike again. Not a huge deal. And they're like, yep, yeah, and it'll be available at 8 a.m. at the U-Haul place. And I was like, okay, cool, yeah, that's fine. It's the same time that it was before. Day before I'm supposed to pick up the truck, I start packing in the morning. My brother comes by, he helps me with packing, which is great. And he saves so much time helping me pack stuff up. But I didn't really finish packing until 2 or 3 in the morning. So 2 or 3 in the morning, 8 a.m. truck pickup, and I'm like, well, I don't know if I'm gonna wake up at 7 in the morning to bike to the U-Haul place, but I'll set my alarm for 7 and see what happens. I set my alarm for 7, and I sit up in bed, and I'm like, it's raining. Oh, I have an excuse to not ride my bike to the U-Haul place. So I order a Lyft to the U-Haul place. That's fine, whatever. It's money that I didn't want to spend, but it's $20. Not a huge deal in the grand scheme of things. I get to the U-Haul place at like 7:50, 7:55ish, and I'm like, okay, I'll fuck around on my phone for 5 minutes, and then I'll be able to pick up my U-Haul. Then I'll go and we'll be able to get stuff packed and whatever. And my friend texted me because he's like, I can probably help you move. My old roommate actually from San Mateo, who's now in Ann Arbor, is like, he texted me at like 7:45, and he's like, oh, when do you want me to come over? I was like, probably around 8:30ish. I'll let you know once I pick up the truck. Sure, whatever, fine. And then I walk up to the self-checkout thing because the U-Haul place doesn't actually open until 9, but they have like a pickup type of thing on your phone, and it unlocks and hands you a code, and you grab the key and you drive away yourself. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll go up to that, fill it out, and whatever. And I punch in the URL, and it's like, no reservation found. And I'm like, It turned out I had 2 reservations under my name. One of them that I had canceled before, one of them that got reassigned. And so after logging into my account, it found the other reservation. I was like, oh, thank God. Okay, I still have a reservation. Everything's fine. And so then I try the second reservation. And it's like, your reservation is now scheduled for 9 a.m. And I'm like, you called me yesterday to tell me 8 a.m. Why is it now 9 a.m.? And so, and I had lifted there, so it's not like I can just like drive home and like, go take a nap somewhere. I'm like, I'm in the south part of Ann Arbor with nowhere to go. So I had to fuck around for an hour. So I texted my friend. I was like, yeah, I know I told you 8 the other day, but it's now 9, and probably later than that because I have to talk to a human now. But yeah, so I I wandered around. There's a Taco Bell near there, so I was like, oh, I'll just go get Taco Bell. But they weren't open, even though they advertised breakfast. They're like, yep, we open at 10. I was like, well, I guess I'm not getting Taco Bell. But I was really hungry at this point too, because I had rushed to get there. I went to Dunkin' Donuts? No, Timbits. The other one. Timmy's. I went to Timmy's. I got a bagel and got some Timbits. And then I fucked around for an hour. But then I got my truck and drove it back to my place. Got my brother showed up. My friend Erwin and his girlfriend Whitney showed up. My dad showed up, and we all packed up my house. It took us about 2.5 hours to pack up, which actually wasn't bad. It was pretty quick to get everything packed up. Everything fit. Didn't leave anything behind. Then drove the truck to my dad's house, unpacked it at my dad's house, and my brother and I dropped off the truck. Then, yeah, then I got my car because my brother and I drove back to Ann Arbor. And yeah, it all worked out. Everything worked out. But yeah, it was, I don't know, moving is always stressful, and I am so tired. I am still so tired. I am exhausted. Self-test data set in it, but not a parameter. Yeah, that happens sometimes. especially if you have objects that represent like a state machine. They'll have some values that aren't initializable, but they'll be things that you can change later. That happens. I personally prefer immutable objects for most cases. So like an object that represents a particular state, and you make a new object for a new state rather than mutating stuff. But it's fine, I guess. Oh, it's nice hanging out at the UL place for an hour. Yeah. Windowser, hello, welcome. What is the engine you're using in this practice? What? I don't know what you mean. Nakata, hello, welcome. Fartbag XP. The Kool-Aid Man show went, oh yeah! Yeah. Would you pay for movers next time? No. Movers would have been like $2,000 or $3,000. And they would have touched all of my stuff. Whereas I got to hang out with my friends and my brother. And not pay for movers. Yeah, movers are fucking expensive. They're like $200 an hour. Plus the like transport fee is also, you know, driving fee. Movers are expensive. But yeah, anyway, that was my move. Pretty uneventful. Got everything done. Oh, also I don't have my third monitor. I keep thinking, oh, I'll look up at it. Nope, not there. So I have my second monitor. My third monitor's over there. I didn't have enough space to set it up though. Sababi, thank you for the follow. Welcome. How you doing? Okay, right, but on Saturday, I was debugging PyTest and having to continually requeue a bunch of runs. And I have this little requeue script that takes things from dead letter and puts them into not dead letter. And I realized if you requeue something more than once in a 10-minute period, or 5-minute period, I don't know what the period is. Whatever the deduplication period is, and it's the same payload, even if it has a unique group ID, FIFO queues will filter out the duplicate items. So I just wrote a little UUID into the payload body such that it doesn't do that. So quick little fix there while I was debugging stuff. I realized while I was poking around the code that there's an endpoint on pre-commit CI that renders every single installation, only if you're logged in as me. But pre-commit has 1,500 installs, so that shit doesn't scale anymore. So I got rid of this endpoint, was able to clean up some code, and then I was able to remove the permission for that endpoint because there was, I mean, the scan was literally only for that endpoint, so got rid of that. The alerts are so cool. Yeah, it's basically it's basically the same output styling as pre-commit has. And I made it into an overlay. Oh yeah, and the chatbot is there's all sorts of cool stuff. There's all sorts of neat nifty stuff we built for the stream. And yeah, we have mood lighting today because my spots are in a box somewhere. So you're gonna get Anthony Writes Code After Dark rather than brightly lit Anthony Writes Code. Daydream, hello, welcome back. Color Marcu's also here. How you doing? New background. Yeah, I'm at my dad's house. I'm at my dad's house with the casting couch, where you can get your Mick Golden shower. Anyway, but yeah, that's open source stuff since last time, so not too terribly much. I mean, we could also go through my Century stuff. Aso Tittle, yeah, there we go. I know how to spell my own goddamn name. It's a very dad couch. I actually don't know why it's in my room. Because it was downstairs. It's kind of falling apart. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, see this little white splotch here? That's the leather just ripped off there. I don't know. It's not my couch. Where is it? Well, I think it's above me. I think it's above me. Yeah, because my costume college is here somewhere, but I don't know. Is that a photo of you holding a frog? It is. Let's see if we can do this without severe jank. All right, now focus on that. There's little Anthony holding a frog. Now I gotta unfuck this. Where are we? There-ish? There we go. Okay, anyway. Yeah, there's childhood me holding the frog. In Flash, sharing a session between apps is possible if both have the same secret key. Do you know if that's intended or an undocumented side effect? Oh, that sounds like a bad thing. It's probably because that's how the session key is encoded. There's probably an. I mean, I don't know how else it would work. It makes sense. Yeah. Are those pictures of you behind you? Yeah. This is me when I graduated high school. This is me when I went to Hawaii when I was like 10. This is not me. This man standing up is the boatman. I'm sitting in the chair right here. Which I have the. Oh, that's what I was trying to find. I was trying to find that photo on my hard drive. Oh, do I try and find it again? No, we already spent like 20 minutes trying to find it. Let it go, Anthony. Don't try and find it again. But it's probably right here. Photos. Probably right here. No? Here? No. I'm not gonna be able to find it. I'm not gonna be able to find it. Well, unless it's in here. Nope, never mind. We're not gonna try and find it. Very Tinder-like. Well, I'm not the shirtless dude. Otherwise, sure, yeah, perhaps. I'm a little child, and I hope people aren't swiping right on children. Zeke BT Doors, welcome to the stream. I see you have found the Kevin command. Yeah, wait, what is the there is a Babbies. How are Babbies something or other? It's where do Babbies come from? That's what the command is. There we go. Mine is way more jank. My bot has a problem right now. And it happened today. Reconnects are like super broken. I don't exactly know why, but well, I do know why. I don't know why, but I do know why. But I've been meaning to switch to WebSockets because I think that'll be slightly more reliable, but at the same time, I don't know. I don't know. Fizzbuzz! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Nice name. I was about to go looking through the repo. Yeah. 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 What do you mean 911 is only for emergencies? I've got a merge conflict? Right. Right. Okay. We are an hour into the stream and I haven't done anything yet. Okay. Yeah, I could go over the things that I did at work today. Oh, no, actually not that much. Oh, no, I had worked a bunch in a private repo. That's why. Never mind. So we're not going to look at that. Okay. Auto update day. I'm hoping we don't see the shark fin again. I mean, we always see the shark fin on the bottom, but I'm hoping we don't see the shark fin on the top. And that it was just a metrics thing. Yeah, this is this is what we normally see. This is what I wanted to see. Cool. Cool. Um Hmm. Is my internet broken? Oh god, it's always DNS. Oh no. I mean, stream is still up, so can you all still hear me? Or are we fucked? Someone talk in chat. Oh, this is still working. Well then, I don't know what's up with this. 8888, yeah. Yeah, I should I should fix my dad's network topology. Yep. That sounds like a good idea. Hey, what's up? Hey, it's Rama. Hello. Buffered for a minute. Oh, I dropped frames at the beginning of the stream, but I haven't dropped frames since then. That's probably on your end. Wolf says, who pays AWS for pre-commit? I pay for the whole thing. Are you making application coding with Python? Most of the stuff that I work on is written in Python, yeah. We will actually be doing some forbidden languages later. And by forbidden language, JavaScript, and we're going to be looking at terrible things that happen in JavaScript. Because JavaScript is some level of sadness. Anyway, this looks pretty normal. Queue got 30 deep. I've determined these spikes are individual users, so the queue depth actually doesn't matter that much. And it also scaled up here and probably didn't need to scale up, but we don't have a good way of knowing the true number of users in the queue, which would be a better metric for actually scaling. But we could write our own queue, but I don't really want to do that. Johnsoner, hello, welcome. What's more sad is Java. Yeah. No weird spike this time. Scaled only up to 5. Yeah, and it probably didn't even need to scale to 5. But yeah, last week we saw this like weird triangle shaped thing here where it just like slowly crept up over time, which I don't have an explanation for. Because like if it were one user, it would be like big spike and then slow trickle down. But it was more like burp, which usually feels like it's a scaling issue. But then again, we looked at the timing and it was spikes of slow queue time rather than gradual increase of slow queue time, which is what you would normally expect. What the fuck? Oh my god, this is such a fucking fun scam. It's Amazon scams. Burzum, thank you for the follow. Welcome. And they're abusing. I wonder whose shortener this is. lnk.to. Linkfire. Presumably you can report the links, right? Security? Why is security under legal? Is there security policy? Fuck off. It's just their disclosure thing. Oh, I can't be arsed. But your account has been locked. Go to Amazon random string of numbers, random string of characters.lnk.to. Yeah. Couldn't you not make more sensitive scaling for auto update days? Perhaps even estimating the amount of updates? Yeah, we do prescale. But the prescale actually doesn't really do anything. This is actually better for the health of the system to just let it auto scale. I should probably just turn off the prescaling because it doesn't do anything. It's mostly needed, like you can see, an instance becomes live in under a minute and runs like the average successful runtime of precommit CI is like 6 seconds. So right now the scale factor is 10. Like if it sees 10 things in the queue, it'll scale up 1. Based on approximately that average. So since it can scale relatively quickly, like prescaling actually doesn't make too much sense. It's not like a peak event. It's not like I have to scale like hundreds at once. It's like 5 machines at most. But from North Africa, cool. Welcome, welcome. Any interesting things getting updates this week? No, I don't think so. Bunch of like small things, it looks like. I did find a user that had configured 6,200 repositories in Predicament CI. And Predicament CI renders the page, but I have a feeling that some of the spikes we see are related to users that do dumb shit like that. But I say we, it's literally me. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. That happened last night in the middle of the night. There's a curtain rod that is not precariously hung in my room. It's never been properly hung up, and it falls all the time, and it just fell and scared the shit out of me. That's why the lighting got slightly worse and or slightly better just now. Bursum, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. If you don't know, it's always broken metrics. Yeah, that's what I keep telling myself. Bearzun, hello, hello. How did you learn to code all these things? I built a lot of projects. Lots of effort. Mostly just effort. Hard work. You know, fighting through problems and hackering. I don't know. Machine learning algorithm that runs Twitter sentiment analysis to pre-scale perfectly. I think that would help. Okay, but yeah, this looks pretty reasonable. You know, about 9,000 repositories in queued. Probably ran a bunch of runs. I guess we can look at the run metrics. These ones. Yeah, so we do see, ooh, those are timeouts. Right here. 180 seconds is the run timeout. Let's put it at 5 minutes, or 1 minute. Since that is the resolution that we get here. A little timeout spikes. This is Dependabot. That's probably someone's script, and then this is that one user's slowness. But overall, seems pretty fine. I'm sure people are excitedly tweeting about their repos getting updated. It's auto update day. Let's go. Yeah, I doubt it. What else do we usually look at? Number of users, usually. I should just make like a web page dashboard for this, rather than clicking around. I don't want you need to log into AWS to show you guys this. Alright, runs. 845,000. We're getting close to 1 million. And then I'll have to figure out how to, well, not figure out. I will have to, well, at some point I want to auto-expire old runs. Just because there's no reason for me to hold the data. Like, I'm pretty sure the very first pre-committed CI run is still in the database. Before it even worked properly. But we're pretty consistently using write throughput and not so much read throughput, but I haven't had to auto scale these tables yet. So okay, how about installs? Almost up to 1,500. Nice. DDoS! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. You need a pack? I succeeded in my packing somehow. Yeah, my boo. You're going on a cruise though, right? So you at least don't have to pack up everything you own. Almost out of water. Almost exactly on time too. Perfect. Nice. I did build a small dashboard recently, and they wanted to use chart.js for the graphs. It was and still is a pain. Is that what we're using for the chat plots? Chat plot DDoS. Oh, don't tell me that's DNS broken too. No, that one's working. No, this isn't chart.js. This is something else. Something else. Let's see if Google is unbroken. Merge conflict. Nope, still broken. My VM cannot go to Google APIs for some reason. Nor can my... Oh wait, we got a ping reply. DNS resolved there. So my VM has different DHCP than my outer? Oh, it's probably IPv6 bullshit. Probably v6. Fine, I guess. Because command's not going to try v6. If we do curl... No, but ping isn't going to do v6. IP address leak. Quick, everyone, DDoS 129.168.11. Wait, am I actually at 1.1? It'd be crazy if I'm 1.1. No, I'm 170. 1.1 would be wild. 1.1 should be my... This is probably actually my IP address, but... If you can figure out IPv6, good fucking luck. Hick Metzes, hello, welcome. Not everything, but I do have to pack winter gear since Alaska. Ooh, fun. I may have looked at the wrong line. Yeah, that's fair. 1.1 was probably the router. His VM took over the router. Yeah, that would be pretty wild. Although AT&T uses 1.254 for some reason. My dad doesn't have AT&T, but I haven't to remember that now. Fairbanks, Anchorage, Whittier, Skagway, Ketchikan, and one or two more places. I don't know. I only know 2 of those places. Sounds fun. Do you have static DNS set on your VM? No, it's automatic DNS. I guess we could set it to static. See if that fixes things. What could go wrong, right? v4 DNS. Is it 4444 or 8844? I guess we can just set one DNS. We should probably do... Oh, I don't even know what v6 DNS is. 8844? How does IPv6 DNS work? Google DNS IPv6. Oh, it's also 4444? And we'll grab the second one as well. What a weird comma separated value field thing. Still not working. Oh well, it's fucked. We can't search the explains playlist today. Such is life. You're out of a pie hole? No, there's no way. Oh well. Use like something like dash to go to the dashboard. Yeah, or I could just not bother. Hard-coded DNS would override Pi-hole. Maybe you should flush something. Onto clear DNS cache. I feel like there's not a thing. Systemd resolve flush caches. A bad password. I don't think that did it. Are you practicing curling? Yes. Yeah, oh well. Copy pasting sudo commands from Google searches? No, I know this command. It's resolve D. It's, yeah. It's just a D resolve D. Like I know that's the right thing, so resolve this D. Speaking of resolving this D, Marcia, can you show chat the bug you found that we have to fix? Only thing left is reboot. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, you can use NSLookup with a... Yeah, that worked. What do we do with 88888? Yeah. Here's the bug, chat. This message right here. If you notice in Twitch chat, there's no weird M at the end. But it's due to the teeth emoji. Whoa, that's weird. Cloudflare and Google DNS give me a different result. Like a wildly different result. Here's Cloudflare's answer. Here's Google's answer. Oh, wait, I did this wrong. I need -n. Wait, what did it do without -n? Oh, invalid option N. What is this doing here? Wait, I can hit googleapis.com, but I can't hit www? What is it trying to connect to here? Yeah, why is it www.googleapis? Is that the bug? Is there not supposed to be www there? This code is... We have not changed this in any way in a real long time. Yeah, this looks normal. WCGW? That one will leave. Attempt to decode JSON with unexpected MIME type. Yeah, I don't think that's the fix. Don't think that's the fix. Yeah, I think it's just broken. That's fine. Ethan! Thank you for the reset with Prime at 34 months. It's good to see you again. How was your first day at work? It's always fucking DNS. Alright, well, the explains command will just be broken. That's the way things go. Really don't need the -n, it's just NSLookup target DNS. Oh. Yeah, so NSLookup googleapis.com 8888. That works fine. That works fine. Whatever the fuck default DNS is not working for some reason. Did I not uncheck the box properly? Am I dumb? Dash n means don't resolve n ns lookup. Wait, what? I don't think it does anything in ns lookup. Autocomplete ruined my hug for so long. It's good. Lots of cool people excited to start hanging out Enter stuff. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. V4, not automatic DNS. Yeah. Weird. Very weird. Oh well, I don't super care too much. It's whatever. It's just another bit of added jank on the already jank stream. Wonder if you have to restart your bot. No, we ran it in a separate process and it didn't do anything. We ran it with dash test. And curl doesn't work, so if curl doesn't work, then yeah, it's not Python. It's something else in the network stack, which it's not worth refixing. Anyway, we are going to try and fix the teeth problem. The basics of this problem. I guess I can just open up the browser version of this. Look at the URL Twitch overlays. Yeah, time to fix my teeth. Did you restart networking? Yes, we started Resolve D, so or we flushed its DNS cache. I don't know. I'm not gonna bother. I don't really care. I'm going to try and bring up self-host on my laptop, but since it's an M1, I will probably wait till tomorrow. Yeah, it's probably. Good luck. Pretty sure it doesn't work. But hey, you're maintaining self-hosted now, so you get to fix it. Most of self-hosted should work. Actually, self-hosted has a different config than the dev repo. I don't know how to do multi-arch with Docker Compose. Maybe when you figure out how it works, let me know. Wait, what am I doing? Firefox. Oh no. Sure. ClickHouse is the problem? ClickHouse is always the problem. Yeah, one of them uses like a processor extension that definitely doesn't work in Rosetta. I was today years old when I learned you can do conditionals. I didn't know. So teach me. Dick house, yeah. Okay. I didn't make it auto-click. Also, I don't know if this works. Okay, it still works. Okay, so the problem is if you have emojis and then emote, JavaScript is fucking dumb. Wow, it even spliced the emote in half there. Yeah, real fucked up string there. Oh, but yeah, if you do it has to be a thick emote. I think this one's not a thick emote. I think this is a narrow emote. Forward this X. Yeah, this one fits in one UTF-16 code point unit. JavaScript is trying its best. Really decent. I would love to give JavaScript the benefit of the doubt here, but it's doing a very dumb thing here. So in any... Ah, shit. In any reasonable programming language, the length of this character is going to be 1. I say reasonable programming language because JavaScript says that its length is 2. Which is great. And we can apparently fix it by spreading it into a list, which now has a length 1. Because this apparently does the right thing. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. You might actually be able to XSS me. No, I don't think so. Because it still is setting it as inner text. How does this base 64 reload in the browser? So this is what's called a data URL. And the data URL allows you to basically not have a website at all. So for instance, you can do data media type text HTML and then HTML script alert 0. Probably might block this though. I know it works. Yeah. So you can have a data URL that has a full HTML body in it. So if we put, you know, hello world. You can also base 64 this. If you do base 64 this. Now we got some base 64 here. And what do I have to do to make it base 64? Semicolon base 64. Semicolon base 64 comma this. And I don't know, can't really tell that it reloaded, but if we corrupt it in the middle. Corrupt it in the middle. Why is it not letting me corrupt it? There we go. Enzo world. Yeah, so that's kind of how it works. And so what I've done is I've made overlays, Twitch overlays, that connect to Twitch directly in the URL. You don't need to run a server or anything. You just need to run the generator once, and then you got an overlay forever and ever. That just shows the entire emote name. Yeah, it basically gobbles a character each time. Sometimes it gobbles half a character. What is everyone's thoughts on mangoes? I think they're super good, but kind of slimy. I feel like mangoes are a pain in the butt to eat. But, yeah, they're fine. Who wasn't me? Is Brendan Ike? Yeah. 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 And so, yeah. You're thinking there's a bunner behind you? There is a bunner. It's Reginald / Leopold. Right her. That's it's bunner. You like mangoes? You like to mismatch your socks? I kind of hate mismatching my socks, so I've thrown away all of my socks except for this isn't entirely true. I have four types of socks. I have plain white socks, I have short blue socks, I have long black socks, and then I have some like assorted blue socks. But they all have really different patterns, so it's really hard to mix and match them. Dried mango from Trader Joe's is great. I feel like dried mango is too chewy. Reginald expressions on carpet? Yeah. That's the first Anthon to wear mismatched socks. You just want to see my feet, Marsha. I think it's called King of Fruits in India. Channel player word. Plain white socks isn't that a band? No, that's plain white tees. That's plain white tees. Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? You're 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Apparently that song's like incredibly creepy. Like the girl was like very much, no, get away from me, you creep. And then he's like, well, I'm gonna write a hit song about you. Get fucked. The benefit of upside down face having length of 2 would be formatting for fixed width test. No, that's actually not what's going on here. Because if that were true, then Marsha's sparkle would be width 2 also. And it's definitely not. So what's actually happening is this UTF-16 code points. It has nothing to do with the rendered size. Like this is length 1. It's the number of UTF-16 code points. And not actually the size. And will you teach me to ski or snowboard? I can teach you to ski. I don't know how to snowboard. And they might not even have feet. I've shown feet on streams, Donkfish, so it's happened like twice. Shaz says sometimes trailing commas, sometimes not in the work docs. Oh no, they need a linter. They need a linter. Why is UTF-16 anyways? I thought just Microsoft used UTF-16 stuff. Yeah, I don't know. UTF-16 is a mistake. Can we play the game based on this map of Missouri? What would you call the red X? Missouri. Oh, isn't that the man with the hat? And so the red X would that be the arm? Oh. Someone is saying that's Western? That's fucking smack dab in the middle of the goddamn state. This is like equidistant on these two sides here. That's the torso? Yeah, this is where the nipple is. This is Missouri's nipple. Speaking of UTF, thank God UTF-8 will look on the default in a few years. Yeah, the Python UTF-8 default stuff would be pretty nice. News is calling it Western Missouri. Yeah, that seems wrong. Yeah. The nipple is the eastern border? I guess that's true, unless... if it's a full profile, but maybe... I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the meetup. Sounds good. Have fun. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, so let's figure out how to unfuck this. How to make this work again. Why is it not letting me use my own emotes? There we go. Yeah. It also gobbles the space here too, which is fun. Okay. Really have my work cut out for me. Snuba, Symbolicator, and Relay don't have ARM64 builds. Yeah, I'm supposed to be working on Relay at some point. Also, their Rust build is too slow to cross compile, so I don't know what we're gonna do for that. Snuba has an ARM image because I fixed it. But Ethan, I set up this at work today, and they have native ARM builders. So in theory, we could use that. Well, I don't know if they have ARM Docker image builders. I don't know. I just tried to launch Zoom my Ubuntu virtual machine today, and it completely crashed the machine. Yeah. Degnan, hello, welcome. I need to fill up my water, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll try and fix the teeth bug and this bug, as you have found as well, Degnan. But I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Waiting patiently, right? Right. Okay, so in theory, the way we're gonna fix this is, is to figure out how this works right now and then unbreak it. Is there no music today? It's there. It's just quiet. I make the music louder without fucking my ear. Yes, the problem is I have headphones on, which makes the volume adjuster way too loud. Too loud now. Okay. There we go. Ian says, I appreciate how I was auto-subscribed to 113 repos. Yeah, there's a, if you're gonna use your personal account, there is a check mark somewhere. I don't trust this screen. Where is the notifications thing? Yeah, here it is. So there's this checkbox that you want to be careful about. RIP my notifications. Yeah, you can also route them custom based on the org you're in for emails. I also made this thing because if you uncheck that box, you're gonna stop watching your own repos. Yeah. So anyway, I've been down this road before, but that's why oh, this isn't gonna work, is it? Yeah, nope, it's still fucked. Where's my DNS error? Hello? There we go. DNS error. But yeah. Okay. Let's look at the code for this. What's t2.html? What are you? Oh, this is the old version of this. We don't need you anymore. Index.html. No, we want overlays. Oh, is this one gonna have the same problem? No, I don't think this actually looks at the chat message. We have two things called S. I'll use it for PTTV. Yeah, we don't do anything special there, so it's fine. It's all good, so we don't have to worry about that one. But we do have to fix this one. And we only have to fix it for which part? What? Let do BTTV, let do cheers. Here we go. Okay, so it's, I think, just the slicing here. Do arrays have slice? They do. Okay, so we have to do spread dot slice dot join. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. I gotta do it here too as well. It's so, I hate JavaScript so much. This is so dumb. This looks so stupid. New place? Not exactly, Crow. This is my my dad's house. This is my childhood room. I guess not really childhood. My high school room. Though I really only lived here in high school. Now that I think about it. Yeah. And when I would come home for like Christmas or whatever. The holidays. Okay, I think this will work. It's so stupid. So stupid. All right. Let's throw some wide emojis and emotes into the chat. See if we fixed this problem with. Well, let's see if plain messaging works. Okay, that works at least. At work, I'm dealing with some untyped Python and JavaScript, not migrated to TypeScript yet, and I feel like I'm lost at sea all the time. Oh no. Wait, it's still fucked? What? Oh god, it's worse. Wait, what the fuck? Well, what the hell happened with this one? Oh, I see. It's just as bad. What the hell? Why is it not better? Oh, don't tell me that this is only fixed in Node. That'd be so sad. Why can't I paste those characters in here? There we go. Well, now I'm real confused. I wonder if it's just like I forgot to refresh. Get some cakes and some bongo in here. Dude, what? What the fuck? Oh. Wait a minute. No, this should work. This should work. I don't know why it doesn't. Let's just do. Let's put both of these out. I should probably just do this. Yeah, the slicing should be fine. Like this. Those should be the only two places that we do s.slice. This one doesn't matter. This is a new s. That one doesn't matter. Oh, unless regexes have the same problem. No, I don't think. We'll get to PTTV in a second. I don't think this is the problem. This might be a problem. Imagine if the regex positions are different than the character positions. That would be so stupid. But I don't think that's the problem. Yeah, we don't do any other weird slicing, so I'm not really sure what's going on here. Let's just say cached. Why does it say cached? I think it's caches. Yeah. Okay, I think we're getting bamboozled by caches somehow. We didn't have this problem before. Yeah, we're getting bamboozled by caches. Okay. Good to know, but also confusing. You can win if you try more. Yeah, that's probably true. Okay, caches. We're getting fucked by caches. Alright, let's unfuck the caches. Is there better nonce than plus date? Cash me outside, yeah. Right. Is there like some no cache thing? Surely there is, right? Fetch no cache JavaScript. Let me make a non-cache request. Slap a nonce on the end. Fragment no cache and a cache control no cache. Is that a header or what is the second argument? Is this a header? uh, we're just gonna use the hack that I know and love. Oh, so we got not a number. I apparently want date.now. There's some special headers. There's no server, so I shouldn't really need it. New date.get milliseconds? Yeah, this works fine. Now we slap some cakes and bongos in here. Hey, Lamau, let's go. JavaScript is stupid. Slap some cakes on there. Yeah, look at chat all caked up here. Feel weird not in my own house, because every time I make a joke that's slightly inappropriate, it's possible someone's listening. Oh, now I gotta make sure that it works with BTTV. Can we cake some BTTV? Fortunately, oh wait, bit's gonna go in the middle too. We'd have to test that also. Oh, fucking kill me. Aww. what? You can't cheer with emoji in the message? Dude, what is going on here? Oh, maybe I don't have white space there? Maybe I'm bamboozling myself? Pause? Oh, I'm bamboozling myself. Okay, no, it's fine. We're good. We're good. We're good. I just had a panic. A quick little panic. Little baby little panic. Yeah, dork. Yeah. It's so funny that you can't cheer with emoji in the message. That tells me that they have some shitty unicode aware system backing cheers. Which is... Wait, but how do... Oh, I guess... Huh. Can you sub with emojis? That's so weird that you can't cheer with emojis. I guess now that I think about it, I've never seen an emoji in a cheer. I've seen an emoji in a sub message, though. Huh. Very weird. Very weird. Background is different? Yeah, I'm at my dad's house. Greggy. I have moved once, and I will move again. New place? Not quite, Citrus. I mean, it is a new place, but it is not a new place for me. This is my dad's house. Which look, you can see the frog. There's frog here. Oh, there we go. Facially inclined. Moving will continue until morale improves. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Is this the, like, you can't cheer with emotes? Oh, it just crashes. It doesn't even try. It's just like, something went wrong. Can't feed the money machine. It's a green screen. Could you imagine? Oh, I shouldn't even show the screenshot. Sorry. You had too much of my face there. That's fucked. Yeah, Juice will have to fix it. There's no way that gets fixed. There's no way it gets fixed. Greggy says New York City rents went from like 3.5K for a 1-bedroom to 5K for a 1-bedroom. Prices are crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. What are you working on tonight? Tonight we're learning that JavaScript is bullshit and that you have to do this shenanigans to properly slice a string that may contain characters that don't fit in a UTF-16 code point, such as teeth or upside down smiley face or yeah. And before we did that, oh wait, is one of these broken? Can somebody do the cake spam? Tasty shrimp, hello. This like this one? This one broken? Yeah, this is what I was doing before. And if you... Oh shit, what have I done? I broken chat. Here we go. See how like one of the emotes is not in the right spot? And if you do it just right... Is it 2 characters? Yeah, you can see some like weird stuff happens here. This is what I was doing before. But this is the fixed version, which now works correctly. Yay. Wow, we we took away this man's hat. It's funny. There's a combining character there. Cutting and gaming with Adam. Welcome. Tasty stream. Wait, I already said hi to both of you. Well, whatever. You get highs twice. Reminds me of Rust. I should program again. I just remember I did something special for strings, like they're all Unicode and junk. What do you got for me this time, D-Delsp? Wait, does it actually give a 500? One or more GraphQL errors were detected by the request. Server error. Wait, does it actually tell you the... What's in the error response? Also, why did cheers go through GraphQL? That's weird. Huh, this you took away their gender, Moomy. How could you? Everything is GraphQL? Everything is sadness. Alright, so we actually have two changes here. There's a none, so the JavaScript is always freshy fresh. Fix emote parsing because JavaScript sucks. Yeah. Standing by that. So honestly, I thought this was gonna be more work than that. So I don't know what we're gonna work on now. Response is just array10 message internal error server error. Yeah. Fun. Oh, what a disaster. Okay, let's see what else that we can work on. I'm sure I have something in my little random to-do list thing. Make Dead Snakes patches less likely to conflict. Oh, that'll be therapy. Ooh, I just got a nice cool breeze from outside. This is too much for one stream. Not that I'm gonna do this one. This one's hard. This one I want to get a sponsor for. I feel like I could get a dairy company to sponsor this. See, that's interesting details. Because these are emoji, but they're only one UTF-16 code point. Wait, really? Wait. So it only crashes when they're thick, when they're wide emotes, wide emojis. Give me therapy. Yeah, this. Oops. This is the therapy one. Thanks for lurking, Citrus. I like how my overlay has BTTV, but I don't. VS Code on save plugin. I want to make a VS Code plugin that runs precommit, I think, maybe. Because that's what people complain about. I don't know enough about VS Code. But I don't think that fits in a stream either. I think we're gonna work on this. Maybe. Yeah, we can I want to check something off on a box. Actually, hang on a sec. Will there be a lot of forbidden script? No, we won't be doing any forbidden script. We already did our forbidden script. Oh, I do need to update these. Paste. Blurp. Oh no, where did chat go? Can you teef it up just to make sure I copy the right one, not the wrong one? Teef. So I can do it. Hello. Okay, good, perfect. Working entirely as planned. Oh, I do need to update the other overlay on the other page. What scene did I use to play video games? Yeah. Zenthrius! I'm subbing and then leaving. I'm at my dad's house right now, so I do not have my new house yet, but soon, in theory soon, I will then have an actual house. But I'm gonna be here for about 3 weeks, so you're gonna have to deal with the casting couch and only 2 plushies for a while, and weird childhood photos of me, and yeah. But soon I will have my house. Soon I will have my house. But thank you for the resub, Zithrius. I appreciate it. 16 months is quite a long time. Appreciate your continued support, and I hope you're doing well. I'm MarkX6. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Aberto says, why don't you use dual boot instead of a VM? Because then I wouldn't be able to do something like this and debug a Windows issue while also being able to poke around with this. No, there's more than that, but also just check out the YouTube video where I talk about it. I would use the command, but the command's broken for some reason. Well, the same reason is DNS. Yeah, DNS is still broken. Sads. When your hammer is C++, everything begins to look like a thumb. I guess. But yeah, DNS is fucked. As how things go. I like how mop actually is your default tab complete, Marsha. Oop champ, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I did notice one thing right before stream, which I don't really give a shit about Twitter, but look at this big number. Look at this big number. I don't know why. My Twitter is just like, I'm streaming. Here's my YouTube video. JavaScript sucks. Here's a YouTube video. I'm streaming. Here's a YouTube video. Retweeting pre-commit CI statuses. Oh, this is kind of nice though. Yeah, my Twitter is basically just regurgitated YouTube and Twitch. I mean, occasionally I'll shit post, but thinks I just type mop tab. Oh. I made a Twitter bot that just retweets random things about coffee and it has 1K followers. What? Be right back. Unfollowing to refollow and be number 5,000. Nice. Martin 10. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. JavaScript sucks every mod 3 and mod 5 post. Yeah, we're gonna fizzbuzz with JavaScript sucks. Okay. So I want to look at what patches can actually be improved in Dead Snakes. I can only think of one that's been an obvious thorn in my side for a while. Dead Sanks. Where do I want to start at? I think I'll start at 3.11. Yeah. So I do have a 3.12, but get branche. Ubuntu. Jammy. Alright, let's look at the patches. log-p. Hey, that one we can't simplify. That one we can't. Cannot simplify that one either. Arg parse no shutil. I think we do need this one because it's not part of Python 3.11 minimal. Lib Python 3.11 minimal does not have. Oh, I'm surprised SSL is part of that, huh? Yeah, it does not have shutil. That's why this is done. Where's my chapter? Oh, I have a big photo of the front. It's Big Frog. Look at how big the frog is. Anyway. Away. bunch of stuff in my room. In a for loop, I append a smaller list to a bigger one and then cleared the smaller list for new values, but it also cleared the bigger list. I'll show your code then. That doesn't make sense. Show your code. And then maybe we can answer your question. Otherwise, we can only guess at what you did. From what you're describing, that doesn't make sense. We have a test to skip a Solaris test. Probably don't care about the test. I can probably discard any changes to tests. Oh, this is just silly. Why the fuck do they do that? I mean, this is the bullshit that gets done for Debian minimal. Like they've decided to exclude shutil. So instead of just adding shutil, they copy and paste functions into this module. Which kind of defeat how big is shutil? I mean, maybe it's worth it. shutil is 1400 lines, and I feel like this is like a couple hundred. Probably worth it. It's like ASCII, it probably doesn't make that much difference. Champ says, do default Docker Ubuntu images use dead snakes? No, they do not. Dead snakes is a PPA that you can add to Ubuntu. It might also be that this module imports a lot of stuff. Let's see. Oh, but it would just skip these. That's probably fine. So OS sys, these are built in. That. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Why am I so sleepy? Stat is there. It's like they tried to make them ordered by length and then someone was like, no, fuck you. FN match. That one's probably not minimal. Oh, I'm surprised. Collections. Collections is definitely in there. Can't boot without collections. Yep. Airno. Airno is a C module, right? It's gonna be like, no file attribute. Built in. Yeah, so none of these modules are the reason it's not in minimal. These are okay because they would get skipped. Yeah, I don't know why they did it like that. I don't know why. Debian doing Debian things. Can I show GitHub link? Sure. Yeah. Okay. Multi-arch stuff. Can't really do anything with that. Test no random order. We don't actually run the tests, do we? No, we do run the tests as for PGO. So we probably keep that. It's a great patch. If false, and at least it's minimal, I guess. All right, this is one of the one of the ones I can potentially affect. Yeah, so this deletion of this blob here conflicts all the fucking time. All the time. So what is the list of PGO modules? Say what? So I'll rebuild then. So actually, we want to do this. And then hide it so it doesn't spam. Make tricks generate. Without looking, I'm going to guess that you are multiplying an array rather than appending. Yes. Yep. So, let me show you the right video. This one. So watch this video. It will explain what's going on, but I'll also briefly explain the other thing that's happening. So, you have this temp here, right? That's your outer. Is that your outer or is that your inner? No, that's your inner. Mojo, thank you for the follow. Welcome. That's your inner. You only have two lists here. So when you append to your matrix here, you are adding this same list over and over and over. You're basically building something like this. Basically have an outer list with a bunch of inner lists, but each of your inner lists are the same. They're all the same reference. So if you do y0.clear, it's going to clear all of them. So the easiest fix for this is to remove this line and move this line to actually the easiest fix is to copy this line to here. That would also work. But I would probably read them all into a single list and then make the sublists later rather than doing it at the same time. But yeah, that's why you're running into trouble there. Is because they all refer to the same object. But yeah, that video goes into more detail about that, so I would check that out. Okay, I think this is the biggest patch that I would clean up so far. And that's mostly been the stuff Ethan's working on. I already factored into a nasty one-liner list comprehension. Yeah, there you go. C-types arm. This code assumes that we know all unames and that a single ABI is supported per uname. Instead, we should find what the ABI is, check the ABI of the current process, or simply ask libc to load the library for us. This actually breaks on biarch or multiarch, as the first library wins. Uname doesn't tell us which ABI we're using. Huh. I don't know if this is still relevant. It's been there for years. I guess if it works, then whatever. lib argparse. Make the get text import conditional. Oh, get text probably isn't in minimal. Disable semcheck. Zoom working semaphores. Don't rely on the running kernel for the check. Probably worth keeping. Yeah, that would work, Moomy. You could probably golf it down a little bit. Like, you can get rid of the white space before the 4. And I would just assign to underscore. You golf it any further? I'm probably not. It's probably 2-character golf. Oh, actually, you can do this as a, because you don't actually care about the values in range. You can do this. Oh, you have the same idea but with a string. You can golf down the ranges a little bit. Is there a better way to do that? Probably not. Because the assignment's not going to save anything? Is there any better golfs there, Mimi? Yeah, I think that's probably it. Alright. Nice little 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 character save. Not bad. Okay, so we can factor out the tests of the lib 2 to 3 patch. That's easy. Weird. I don't think this patch does anything. I think I have removed this. I think I don't call this at all. I think I can get rid of this part. Run profile task. Yeah, I don't think these $$ task. The fuck does that mean? Oh, -S. I think we ignore Debian's thing. Yeah, this is their Pi next tests. Oh. Maybe. Huh. Maybe this isn't a Debian thing. What actually changed here? Oh, it links expat. Yeah. Any types, callbacks, call procs, standard, stg, dict, d fields. Mallet closure? What are you? And why don't we link? Oh, we do link FI. We don't link LD though. They don't know anything about that. Jill says need to move upstairs, start actually packing. Sounds good. Have a good few weeks without me. We'll have fun on your cruise. And I'll see you when you get back. For options. GDBM with some helps. This is the wrong message. This should actually say Python 3.11-GDBM. And decanters to say the same thing. Oh well. Can't do anything about that patch. Oh, I'm just yawning. I'm yawning so much. I'm so sorry, chat. Probably just look at this. Look at this yawner. This is just wrong. I feel like they should send that one upstream. Wait, they wrote a patch that introduces trailing white space. Nice. I feel like most of this is unnecessary, but I also don't know enough to... Well, I do know enough to fix it. I don't feel like debugging that. Eggs! Eggs! Oh, it's tests. Who cares? Eggs, 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 eggs. Oh, wait, no, this is right. Yeah. Documentation stuff. This is this site garbage. Fruitulum stuff. That was weird. My screen made a funny thing. It just keeps going. How long is this diff? We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, we can get rid of this patch. I should be writing notes. Lib 2 to 3, don't modify tests. Probably don't modify tests. All. Remove deb locations patch for box. Hurts. You know, we need those. Okay, so this is the end of the patch. So if we... it's only 1,000 character patch, or 1,000 line patch. Not the worst. Oh no. What the fuck happened here? Struct anonymous has no member zip importer. Oh no. Really, just clean everything and make it again. It's just a single kill line? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see if we can check out all the test changes. Oh, is there only one? Oh, because it's in a different location. Here. Oh, but this is gonna conflict for a different reason. Oh, actually, no, that's better if I discard this. Yeah. Okay. So this diff removes that. Assume that'll build. I don't think lib2-3 gets involved anywhere. Okay, this is almost done. Surely a rebuild will fix things. Next video. Okay. We gotta see if lib2-3 is in here. If it is, then we definitely can't do the patch that we just did. I don't know why lib2-3 would be in here though. Brain very tired? Yo, same. Yo, same. H-I-J-K-L. Come on, alphabet. Hey, no lib2-3. I don't have the headers for PC2 or LZMA, apparently. It's also weird how this renders. Like, why does test math care that LZMA was skipped? I don't know. You know what? Oh, I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna end stream. I'm sorry, chat. I'm gonna pass out on my computer. I don't want to do that. So, yeah. True. Hi. Okay, bye. How you doing, True? Yeah, I'm gonna go take a nap. Rest, says Citrusine. There's so many interviews. Yeah, how's your interviewing going? If you want to do any practices, I will always help you out. Although you have Jordan to practice with too, so it's going great and bad at the same time. So many interviews with 0 offers. Oh no, that's the worst. But yeah, I'm gonna take a nap. So thank you all for stopping by for my jank ass sketch stream in my high school bedroom. I have one, but it's super low. Oh, it sucks. Yeah, fuck that. Oh, hello, welcome. But yeah, let me do my little spiel, and then we'll find a channel to send you off to. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube, and that's youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Which you're gonna get pre-recorded videos for the next couple of weeks, because yeah. How was the Dick Sword one? Figma balls? Yeah. I cannot take Figma seriously because I always think Figma balls as well, but yeah. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I'm gonna try and keep that up, even though I'm in a weird place. I'm probably gonna be playing video games tomorrow, so if you want to watch video games, that'll be fun. Amir Founder, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna do it. The other is the Discord, which you're free to join. Oh, my brother's also interviewing right now, True. So he's going through that jam as well. He has an interview with AWS on Wednesday, and helping him prep for that. But that'll be fun. Anyway, thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.